H is a cuboid. AB is equal to 7.3, CH is 8.1, angle BCA is 48 degrees. Find the size of the angle between AH and the plane ABCD. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. So the line AH is going to be going in there, and so that is the angle that we're looking at finding. So what we can do is, in order to find that, we know we can label some of what we've got ready. So CH is 8.1, so I know that that is 8.1 there. AB is 7.3, so the one along the back is 7.3. And BCA, so BCA, so if I draw a line going across here, that angle there is 48 degrees. And we've got a right angle there because it's a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find the length AC and then use that in order to find the angle HAC. So let's draw out what we've got. So we've got a little triangle. And so my right angle is at B, and then I've got C and I've got A, and I know the angle at C is going to be 48 degrees. And we know that AB is 7.3. Now what we want to find is we want to find the length AC, so I'm going to call that X. So draw out a little table, O, A, and H. So for that we've got the opposite and we want to find the hypotenuse, so that tells me I'm going to be using sine. So O over H, sine, easier to write it out this way, sine theta H. Plug the values in. Instead of O we've got 7.3, instead of H we've got X, and we've got sine 48, so that tells me that X is going to be 7.3 over sine 48, and so putting that into the calculator to one decimal place we get X to be 9.8 centimeters. So that tells me that is going to be 9.8. Now what I can do is I can draw a second triangle. So we're going C to H to A. We want to find the angle X. We know that's 8.1 and we know that's 9.8, and so I can then draw my little table out, O, A, and H. So this time I've got the opposite and I've got the adjacent, so that tells me I've got to use tan. So O over A, tan theta. Again, plugging the numbers in. The opposite is 8.1. The adjacent is 9.8. And we've got tan theta. So tan theta is 8.1 over 9.8, and so theta is the inverse tan, shift tan, 8.1 over 9.8. Remember, that's where we have to press shift, then tan, we get tan to the -1, and so we get a value of theta of 39.5, and so that is our missing angle, 39.5 degrees.